The study of the Dharma is not Dharma. Praying is not Dharma. Altars and making offerings is not Dharma. Hanging around a holy guru is not Dharma. Not hanging around a holy guru is not Dharma. Having a great center is not Dharma. What is Dharma is the complete turnabout of our attitude and the way we see things and the way we perceive. And everything else is to facilitate that. Why? Nothing changes, yet everything changes. And therefore, Dharma is pervasive, meaning everywhere. Timeless, which is applicable during Buddha's time and now. Whether you're living in a village during Buddha's time with no water, no plumbing, no electricity, no internet, no nothing, just a hut. Or you're living in a great house in Bandha Uttama with everything. It's timeless. And at the same time, it transcends all races, color, creed, barriers, levels, classes. Why? Because all of us, in our own way, create or uncreate our realities and what we perceive.